I think it's 8:16 or 17.
Oh, but I saw something as 5 a.m. in the agenda. Is there anything for that?
Hariharan, it's a signature segment of Meraki, that is Management Book Review. For conducting the same, we have one guy who profusely expressed his gratitude to God for having inspired that gentleman who invented the snooze button. When people keep just snoozing five more time, another 5 minutes, but at least this guy at the fourth or the fifth snooze woke up. So let's put our hands together to welcome distinguished Toastmaster Karthik to conduct management book review. Over to you, Karthik.
Thank you so much, Priya and Hariharan. Thank you so much. Am I audible and visible, clear? Okay, what is the relationship of this management book review and 5 a.m. club? Can anyone spell out? What is the relationship? 5 a.m. club is what is that related to a management book review?
So related to the theme, Karthik.
Okay.
The alarm clock theme.
Oh wow, it's coincidence. Okay, then there's something else. I'm expecting some other answer. It's coincidence, Ashok. It is nowhere related. It is not planned actually. Any other response?
Just a guess. Is it about a club that meets at 5 a.m. in the morning?
Okay.
That's an aspiration.
Okay, good. Yeah, we can start that actually. Maybe we can switch the meeting to 7 to 5 a.m.
It shows how Subdeep has spoiled Infi members in their minds. 7 a.m., 5 a.m.
People
Okay.
who wake up by 5 a.m. gain 1 hour extra in their life.
It depends on people. Say somebody who wakes up 8 o'clock, he gets 3 hours extra, right? So it depends on the people, individual. Okay. So basically, 5 a.m. club is something like someone who gets up early and get things done before the world is ready. So if you can manage yourself, you can manage others. This is a pretty simple concept. I personally believe management is pretty simple. If you can manage yourself, you can manage anything and everything. So this 5 a.m. club is written by Robin Sharma. And I am a big fan of Robin Sharma. From 2011, I got a chance to read his book called Meha Living. And after that, I read his Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, Family Wisdom, Leader Who Had No Title. So all the book I read, and every story, every book has got a story. And there is a character, and he gives a message with the character. So for example, in Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, he has a lawyer, Julian, and then he gives the entire story. And I rated this book 4.5. And then after that, Family Wisdom, there is a character called Catherine and his brother Julian, and he gives wonderful wisdom. And the same thing with Leader Who Had No Title, Blake and Tommy. So all this having a character and build a story, and all the books I rated more than 4. I personally rated more than 4. And what is the rating for 5 a.m. club? Maybe at the end of the review, I'll let you know. So what is that I really loved with 5 a.m. club? There are 5 things I really loved. How many of you follow Robin Sharma? Like read the book or follow his videos? Okay, fabulous. So if you follow his videos and read his book and whatever I'm going to say, I'm sure you'll be aware. So there are 5 things he was mentioning, and a couple of things were really wonderful and which can be implemented. So the number 1, 20-20-20. That rule, yes, got 5 a.m. You get up and 5 a.m. You start your reading, and 20 minutes of reading, 20 minutes of journaling, and 20 minutes of exercising. And in this book, he gave a dissection, and he gave his personal how he uses that 5 to 6, that holy hour. That's what he has given, and he has given complete dissection of the 20-20-20. So that is one thing I really loved. But every time when he comes on video, he says 20-20-20, and you need to do this, you need to do this. But in this book, he has given that uh, a, a, a clarity on how do we do it. So that is what I really loved. And second thing, 90, 90, and 1. So everywhere it is fascinating numbers. And 1991, it is like 90 minutes, 90 days, without any distraction, one activity. See, for example, when you go to work, first thing what everyone do?
Sign
the
the
mail.
attendance.
Open the mail, right? Email. So we got distracted because of email. A lot of things has to be answered and something will be running in our mind. So that's what he says. Don't go open your email. 90 minutes, 90 days, one area where your focus has to be. One thing which you have to give complete attention for, one thing, so that you are accomplishing entire task. Like it is like 80-20 rule, right? So if you focus on one thing for 1.5 hours and without seeing the mail, and you'll be accomplishing the prime activity you want to do. So that is one thing I really loved. And he also given how to implement, and there are examples he has provided. And the next thing is 60-10, again fascinating number. So he says 8 o'clock I start my work, and by 1 o'clock I finish my prime activities, like 90 minutes of activity, and after that 60 minutes and 10 minutes of break. 60 minutes, 10 minutes of break till 1 o'clock. This is also a wonderful rule. And avoid all the meetings till 1 o'clock, so that you will finish all your tasks. And after having lunch, go, come on, I'm ready for the disturbance, I'm ready for distraction. You can go and tell people, come on, what is the meeting, come. So this is what makes you productive. And the next thing is traffic university. And everywhere we travel, and every time when you travel there is a traffic and you complain about traffic, what you can do in that period is, instead of listening to crap, and you listen to the podcast or videos where you want to learn something which is going to enhance your productivity and enhance your time, enhance your relationship. Listen to development, self-development audios and videos. That is what you were saying as traffic university. And last thing, 5 a.m. club. And I mentioned, I want to thank someone who pressed who found that snooze button. So there are rituals which has to be followed. There are rituals which has to be followed if you want to get up by 5 o'clock. The first ritual, there are a lot of examples he has given. I personally follow even before the book. Finish your meal before 7 o'clock, hit the bed by 9:30, and you can get up by 4:45. Pretty simple statement, right? But how is it possible? 7 o'clock, finish your meal. How is it possible? No. Even if I'm not able to eat by 7 o'clock, I'll have only fruits. So these are few rituals which has to be followed to get up by. See, that is also very important. I personally believe what you do on weekend is what you will be productive in the weekday. So that is also there. So the same way, what you do the day before, the night, what you do, that makes you ready for the day in the next day. But overall, if you ask me, 350 rupees of spending for this book, is it worth or not? I would say no, don't do it, because the characters and the story is built for this book is worthless. 86 pages. If you skip and if you start reading 8th chapter till 8th chapter, if you skip and start reading after that, no issues at all. You will not skip anything. You can hit the snooze button for till 86 page. And after that, if you go and read, whatever I said, it is there. And all the videos are covering it. Personally, I would say 5 a.m. Club is a letdown for me from Robin Sharma. Except these concepts. The concepts are only 10 pages. And remaining where it is dragging and boring, and you can hit the snooze for this book. But if somebody can borrow, give you and get it and read this book, not read this book, read those 10 pages, whatever I said. Over to you. With that note, over to you, Priya. Thank you so much.
Wow, that's a great session, Toshma.